Hey everybody, check out this DEWALT battery operated pressure washer we've got here. Comes with the battery charger, comes with the battery as well. Here's everything that came in the box. There's the charger and the main unit there. That's the power unit. You can see the tips go on the top, battery right here in this protective cover to keep that from getting wet. And just inserting the wand there in the main unit, turning it to the side. Threads in, a little bag for all your small parts as well. There's the turbo tip. It's got quick disconnect for changing out all your tips. There's a look at it assembled. That's the quick disconnect hose connector. That's where you connect your hose and your quick disconnect as well. That's for the garden hose connection and the quick disconnect on the other side of that fitting. It just pops right on there. Now you can hook up your garden hose to that. There's a little filter that goes down inside there too, and there's also one with this other attachment here, and this is made to go in your bucket of water, this little filter thing, and it comes with a float to keep it up off the bottom. Just connecting that bucket hose there. Also comes with a soap dispenser, and it just swaps out on the front. Remove the wand, put the soap dispenser in. Now you can squirt your suds all over, whatever kind of solution you want. And back to the wand, we're going to operate this thing out of the bucket. There we go. Really happy with the performance of this thing.